and I did not pick up my camera at all last week to get a vlog up for you for this current week. It was extremely crazy. It was an emotional roller coaster with my job. It was demanding. It was a lot on me, and as I currently record this video on today to get out today or by in the morning, I'm still recovering. So I'm going to bring you along, and I hope that you enjoy. That is behind me, and this current week I'm having to muster up the energy to do all that I need to do on a regular basis with my job, and we're traveling out of town this weekend, so I hope that I can bring you along. I don't know what that'll entail, but I hope I can bring you along. Yeah, so this vlog today, it's like many of my vlogs, I don't know why I keep saying vlog. Most of the vlogs that I post are all over the place. For those of you who do watch, something to it that you like, so I'm just gonna bring you along with my craziness. I'm gonna wrap up something because now it is almost noon, and I want to go ahead and get something to eat because we're to expect some bad weather out of nowhere, might I add. I want to be in place. Ideally, I don't know if, and I'm looking in the camera, the lipstick that I'm wearing is a matte red, and I've been wearing it since this weekend, but it belongs to my daughter, and it's from Sephora. Sephora is not in my town. My goal is to do as much as I can today and go to Sephora this evening. The only thing that's stopping me from doing that is the bad weather, because I want a new lip when I go out of town this weekend. Plus, I just love it, and I have to give her lipstick back. It's the lipstick that she performs in. Enough rambling. Tell me, how's your day going? Let me know down in the comment area, and just keep on watching. Talk to you in a little bit. It's the next day. I had so many good ambitions to carry the camera with me. Things changed abruptly yesterday. I believe I referenced that I would be going out of town this weekend for work, but that all of a sudden changed. The event that we were having out of town will now be in town. So the staff and the teams are working very hard to try to hurry up and reroute everything. So that took me by surprise, as well as other people. And I wanted to go to Sephora last night, but my husband had to work a little late. By the time we left home to make it to the neighboring town, it was going to be closed. So we went and ate dinner instead, and I was so exhausted from the day's happenings that I called it a night. So today I'm going to carry along the vlog, and of course there are going to be meetings so we can get our ducks in a row for this weekend, and I will not be able to go to Sephora if I don't go today. My goal is to go to Sephora, make it back in time so I can finish this assignment that is due Sunday. But because I won't have any weekend time to work on it and complete it, I need to get it done today. Tomorrow is game day for my oldest daughter, and it's not going to happen. Alright, so I am going to extend the vlog just a few more clips, and I hope that you're having a great day. although you're watching this on the same day for me, I'm telling you, it's a new day. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you a little later. I'm gonna go ahead and check these emails, print some things that need to go to the front office, and slay the day. See you in a little bit. Okay, y'all, it is hours and hours later. It is late at night. It is almost 10 o'clock if it isn't already. But I wanted to show you that I actually made it to Sephora. Let me show you the lipsticks that I have been in love with. One of them I think is in the car because I tried it on for my niece, and I would show you what it looks like on my face, but I have dismantled, meaning I look a mess. That's pretty much what I'm saying. But it is the Sephora collection lip stains, and this is the color that I have been loving, the red, and it is the Always Red that I was trying to show you in one of the earlier clips. But when I went in there to get one for myself and a pink, my niece, who's also on the dance team, needed a lip, so I got her one that was very similar to this. This was popular in the store, so it was all gone. The Sephora consultant, she showed me this pack, which was the very last pack. Let me tell you, these guys right here are $15 each. But this is, I think she mentioned it could be a holiday special where they normally do this. $15 for one, okay? And when she showed me this, can you guess how much it was? How many are in here? 6 of these for $30. $30, guys. So I got 6 lip stains for $30, plus I got the Always Red that I've been using of my daughter's. And I also, you know, outside of this, I got my niece one and a pink. So that's what I was so anxious to get. And because my birthday is coming up, I qualified for a free gift, and I chose the Laura Mercier setting powder. Never tried it. My niece, well, she's really my niece, not the one that needs the lipstick, but I call her my little sister. She told me that the translucent loose setting powder by Laura Mercier is the bomb, and I chose a really good item to get. So when I was trying to open this up, I also noticed, see if it'll come out. On here, there is a, come on, focus so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's see. Okay, here we go. There's this shimmer pen in here. And of course, the camera lens is doing exactly what my eyes does. Now that they're much, much older, they don't focus right. So let me see if I can get this in so I can read it. Okay, so here it is, a caviar stick eye color. So I think I got 2 goodies for 1. If you have used any of the Laura Mercier products, let me know down in the comment. It's late. Let me know down in the comment area if this is something that I'm going to love. But that's my Sephora shopping haul. That's what I did all of this for. Went to Target. My youngest got some of the bell-bottom leggings. And let me try to turn the camera around. Told you, I look a mess. I have no jewelry on, nothing. But you get to see the pink that I bought from the Sephora lip stain collection. I love a good pink lip, and I love a good matte pink. I have eaten, I've drank water, I've talked this stuff off, but I did reapply it to show my niece, my older niece. But after Sephora, me and my youngest daughter went to Target She is into bell-bottom leggings. They're leggings, but they have a big wide bottom at the end of the leg. I don't get it, but she was so happy to find those and a sweatshirt, and I didn't get anything from Target. I wanted to go to Target to be selfish and find something for me, and I didn't find anything. She did. And then we picked up some food for the two of us from Rock and Roll Sushi. And my oldest was back in the town where we live, so I picked her up Chipotle. And then there's this ice cream shop that also has like fudge and caramel and chocolate covered apples, and we topped off the night with a sweet treat. And we're back home. I wanted to close the vlog here so that I could get going on the vlog for next week. I thank you so much for taking this little journey with me. I know that it was rushed and didn't show you too much, but I appreciate you for taking the time to watch the vlog. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Any type of interaction helps my little channel just reach more of you amazing working women, working moms, aunts, you name it. So any type of interaction, any type of engagement helps me reach more of you, and that is my ultimate goal. So like, subscribe, and definitely comment below. I appreciate you, and until the next video, have a great day. Bye.